Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all, I'm doing something I don't know why I never share it with y'all. And I eat this all the time, y'all. It's something very simple. And to me, I'm making a meal in itself. It has the starch, it has the meat, has the vegetable, has everything. The protein, vegetable, starch, everything in it. Old school barbecue baked, twice baked potatoes. It's everything the baked potato has in it, but it has some, you know, I always have brisket in my freezer. So I take me a little brisket here and take, you know, I do a little food saver bag, chop it up, and I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna mix all that together and with the potato and stuff it back in the potato. So I got my potatoes right here. I make sure I scrub my potatoes very good. I scrub my potato, wash and scrub my potatoes really good. I'm gonna move this out the way because it's irrelevant for right now. We don't even need this right now until the potatoes get ready. As y'all made baked potatoes before, you know that's irrelevant for now. Okay, I got my potatoes right here all scrubbed off and washed and cleaned. The reason I do that, y'all, hold on. Get it together, Chef Jeffrey. Okay, now I'm gonna kind of pat these dry much as I can, because I eat the skin of the potato. That's why I make sure I scrub them and clean them really, really good, get all the dirt, everything off, because I like to eat the whole potato skin when I make these. Okay, what I do, you know that chicken grease I have over there, y'all? I'm gonna pour some of that on there. I'm gonna do this with one hand and the grease with one. What I like to do, I put all that chicken grease on the outside of it, y'all. Then, what I do, I season the outside with kosher salt and white pepper. Oh yeah. That way that skin gonna be nice and seasoned. See that skin nice right there? Should really, really season the outside, y'all. Of course, we're gonna season the inside too. So we're gonna get that outside good and seasoned. There we go. See that? That's good baked potato there, y'all. Now we're gonna bake it in the actual oven. You can do it in the microwave you want to, but I just throw mine in the oven for about an hour. Come back, y'all know the method. We scoop out all that goodness. We mix it with more goodness, put it back in the shell, bake it back in the oven about 15-20 minutes, and we got us a meal in itself. So we'll be right back once these baked potatoes get ready and show you the next step. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. The potatoes are nice and soft here and ready. So what I like to do, y'all, I'm gonna let them sit up here for about 15-20 minutes till I can handle them. But they're really, really hot. And I'm gonna cut them in half, as I told you, scoop out all the goodness there. And maybe a half an hour, I'll let them kind of sit up here and cool off. And then we'll put them bad boys back together. And then we're gonna put them back in the oven. And we're gonna have, it's like a meal in itself, y'all. I'm telling you, I might have a little stuffing left over, I usually do. And I'll just use that to make some potato patties with, and that's good too. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. All right, let's get these potatoes done here. And what I want to do, I want to pretty much cut them completely in half. And I like to work with these, y'all. I need to get a sharper knife here. I need to get my razor knife, y'all. Hold on, y'all. Let's get you in the way. Get my razor knife here. There we go. Cut them in half completely. There we go. You definitely want to try not to damage the skin too much, because you remember, you're just going to be your shell to put the filling back in. I didn't cut that evenly. And that's what you want right there, y'all. Okay. Now all we're gonna do take a little spoon here, and we're gonna scoop out the potatoes as gently as possible without ruining the skin. Remember, we're gonna put this back in there, so you don't want to go too far deep in there. See that? And we definitely gonna have some filling left over, y'all. That's gonna happen. Y'all see what I'm doing here? Just scooping out the little potatoes there, best as possible without ruining the skin. I don't want to go too deep down in there, because if I do, I'm definitely gonna break the skin of the potato, and I don't want to do that. Couple of more here, y'all. And like I said, I like to do this while they hot, because it's easy to scoop out while they hot. You wait until they completely cold. It's a little bit more difficult. One more here. That's it, y'all. I'm gonna put these back on the pan. All right. Got them back on the pan now. How easy is that, y'all? Get this off right here. All right. Got them back on the pan. Kind of hit this up just a little. We should add our goodness to this, y'all. About to add our goodness to this. Okay, let's go get our goodness. Okay, I'm gonna add my meat to this. I got chopped beef, bacon. I think I put all that beef in there, y'all. Gotta have my cheese in here. Save some for the top, green onions. A little sour cream and butter. I'm gonna melt this butter off, y'all, just a second here. Can't have baked potato without a little butter in it, right? Okay. Let's get our, we can break out our big spoon, y'all, for this. A little sour cream in there, gotta have that in there, right? And like I say, y'all, I'm gonna have a little bit of this left over. And what we'll do, what I like to do, and get a salt and pepper to y'all. Hold on. The butter's melted there. Throw some butter in there. Tell me that ain't no goodness. A little salt and pepper. And then we'll check the seasoning here in a minute, y'all. I know it needs some initially salt and pepper. Okay, we're gonna mix this together, y'all. Like I said, of course, it's gonna be more filling left over in the potatoes, but I can make some potato patties with this. which I'll show y'all later in another video if you want to know that. But look at this, y'all. Got that bacon in there. You got that chopped beef in there. See that? That's goodness there. Goodness, goodness. Okay, y'all. Now we're going to taste this right quick. Get a little taste here. We need some more salt and pepper, definitely. Definitely need some more salt and pepper. Mix it up a little bit more. Okay, taste it one more time. That's good there, y'all. That's good there. Okay. Now we're gonna scoop these bad boys here. Got a little scoop here I like to use for this. I get as many as I can in there. See that? I'm gonna make them big there, y'all. Stuff as much as we can in there. See that? Oh yeah. So what I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna step off here and get them all stuffed in here. I'll do one more just to show y'all. Stuff them all in there like that. All right. I'm gonna step off here, finish the rest of it. We'll be right back before we put it in the oven. I gotta put some cheese on top. We'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. All right, y'all, the good news, I got all the filling in there. Now, all I'm gonna do, y'all, we're gonna just put a little cheddar cheese right on top of here. We're gonna put these things in the oven. I put them in the oven about 10-15 minutes till the cheese is nice and melty. Say you got to feed 8 people right here off 4 potatoes, y'all. Feed 8 people off 4 potatoes. All right. Put it in the oven 350 degrees, y'all. In about 15 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes, that's all it's going to take. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Look at this, y'all. A little plate of goodness right there, y'all. Like I say, you take 4 baked potatoes, and you can turn it into a meal. With just 4 potatoes, bake them all, and turn it into a meal. Let me get a little small one here. Let me get a little small one here, y'all. Let me get a little small one here. Look at that, y'all. Look at this here. Got that brisket in there. And I didn't cook these really, really long, y'all, because I'm going to rewarm them up later for dinner. And give some to my neighbors, so I don't want to cook them too much and then have to rewarm them up again in the oven. So that's why they look like this. Okay, let's go in here, y'all. Give y'all a little. They've been sitting up a little bit because of the YouTube thumbnail, but look at that. Yeah, let's go in, huh? Potatoes so creamy. I spoke this for the brisket. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Don't judge me. If they barbecue, why not put a little barbecue sauce on it? A little barbecue sauce on there. Of course, this is good for a steak. Side on it for a steak. Okay. Now, that's why I like to do the skin, because I like to eat the skin of the potato. See how that skin back there is nice and clean? I ate the whole potato into a knife. That skin is so tender because that's the key, y'all. I'm putting some chicken grease and some bacon grease on it, and then put that salt and pepper. Look at that. Little brisket in there. See that meaty brisket. One more bite, y'all. I'm gonna close the video out. It's good eating. I told you, I got my vegetables in there with the green onions. I got my meat, potato, everything. Milk, sour cream. I'm covering all food groups. Give me a little bit more sauce on here, y'all. Y'all just excuse me, I'm in my element. I'm in my element. All right. Drop the fork and walk away. Give me a ribeye steak, y'all. Medium rare. One of these on the side. Hey. It's on. So anyway, y'all. Let me throw this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please follow my other social media account, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com under the hashtag 2023. Just show some kindness. Old School Soul Food. So next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.